I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. Anyways, I just wanna hop on the camera real quick and look. I'm trying the Fenty glosses, the new one that I got yesterday. This is the Fenty cream in the shade Honey Waffles, and this is in the shade Cookie Jar, I believe. So I lined my lips already with, of course, LA Girl in the shade Cafe, my go-to lip liner, and I put this Honey Waffles, and I wanna show you guys this on camera because I love this color. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't have a scent, but that's fine. But look how pretty the shade. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Are we loving the color? Because I love it. Wow. Look how pretty. And I cannot wait to try the shade Honey Waffles. No, this is Honey Waffles. I can't wait to try this maybe later or tomorrow. I'm gonna try the Cookie Jar, but oh my goodness, the Honey Waffles is the perfect nude. It's insane. I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. This is like the perfect combination. So LA Girl, what I lined my lips with in the shade Cafe, and Honey Waffles. So today I'm gonna use my Alma BB from Louis Vuitton, and I have my 4-key holder here as well from Louis Vuitton. I just put my key, 2 of my keys, the car key and my house key, which is, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna be bringing this today. This is the Chanel hand cream, which I think I might get some hand cream from Chanel because this one is really good. This is just a sample size, but I might get one if they have it. And for today's scent will be this Twilly from, can you focus? Right there. This will be my scent today. And I also put my Dior choker that my husband got me, and I'll be bringing the lip cream from Fenty, and this is the LA Girl. Put it there, and my Prada wallet as well. So I'll just put it right there, and I have my maze in there on that side. So I think that's it, and also my glasses, of course, on this little bag. First, I got my choker from Dior. The top that I'm wearing right now is Zara, pants also Zara, and I think I'm gonna also wear the heels from Zara. And so yeah, that's gonna be like my outfit of the day. So I just put my hair on like a low sleek bun because I haven't washed this for 2 days. But anyways, my makeup is still on point, and I think I don't want to like reapply the lip gloss because I'm gonna be wearing masks anyway. So I didn't tell you that I will be going to the mall because I want to get my husband a gift. So I will be buying him some gifts today, so I will be done for like everybody, because I think I already have my mom, my dad, my sister, and the only thing that's missing is him. So I'm gonna go and, you know, buy some presents for him, and then I'm also gonna stop by at the I think it's at Bloomingdale'S in Louis Vuitton, because if they can do like put my initials in here on my Alma BB, hopefully they can do it today. If not, that's fine. But yeah, I'll be going to the mall today, which I have to leave now because it's gonna take me an hour to drive, and I'll just talk to you guys later. I'm finally here, you guys. There's so many people in the mall. Like, all the parking lot is full. Like, it's full. This is crazy.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
So I was looking if they have the Marc Jacobs bag. They do, but they don't have the color that I want. But I did saw the small one as well. It looks pretty cute. They have Santa in the mall. People, guys. So I'm in the line now, and I'm just waiting. The line is kind of long.
Chestnut roasting.
You guys, the shopping was a success, and I didn't even vlogging camera because there's just so many people. It's hard to pull out the camera and like actually vlog because people are literally everywhere and Christmas shopping. And okay, so I went here because I want to have my bag, so they're gonna ship it to me. The little thing you put their key on the Alma BB. They're gonna ship it to me, I believe, this next week. And I got my husband a gift, so I'm good with him. I think there's only one more and I'm good with his gift. And I also stopped by at MAC because I wanna, here, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So I wanna try their lip liner, which is the strip down, which is a lot of people love this and rave about this, and I got two. So yeah, this is like I think $18 each. So hopefully this will be good. But yeah, I got two lip liner from MAC, and that's literally it. And I also got something from Bloomingdale'S. This is the hand cream. They don't have the one that I really want, the white one, but they have this new. This is the lift cream, and I tested it out in the store, and it's really how do you call this, very hydrating. So yeah, hopefully I'll end up liking this. So this is like, I forgot what's the price, but this is like 65 because the white one is 55. So that's all I got for myself, and I cannot really show you what I got for my husband because my husband, baby, better not watch. My husband watch my video, so I cannot show it. So I'm gonna go and actually, yeah, I have to go, you guys, because I have to upload a video. I forgot to edit a thumbnail. I gotta make sure I edit the thumbnail. But other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog, you guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog. Bye.
So